Hey everybody, today's gonna be a fun one. I was given this piece of petrified wood a few years back from some special friends of mine, and it's just been sitting gathering dust in a box, so I figured today was the day that we switched it up and gave it a base. I happen to have some of this beautiful 8-quart walnut that was also gathering dust. And we are going to make it the base for our new project. So stay tuned. Let's get after it. So I went ahead, sanded this to 320 on all sides, top, bottom, sides, chamfer, all that good stuff. And then I went ahead and I added a little dimple so that I can drill out a hole for the aluminum rod that I'm going to set up so that we hold the rock, yes, petrified wood, not rock, but so that we can hold it steady. I also indented it so that I know exactly where I want it to sit every single time. It's going to be roughly right there. So the aluminum rod is going to run right here, and it's going to sit, I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to sit right on the base of the rock right there, and then it should balance. And we are probably going to super glue the bottom of it just a hair so that it doesn't move when we move it. But I haven't decided that yet. I think I'll make that final call right at the end. So let's make the aluminum rod now. So didn't turn out exactly how I wanted to at first. Decided to sand it off. This is all going to be more black when it's all said and done. For whatever reason, whenever I do a reactive, it goes kind of blue before I put some oil finish on. But once it gets wet, it looks black. So I think it's going to look really cool. I mean, just set it up really quick. A little dry fit, make sure everything works correctly. But that is what we're working with. I think looks sick. Just enough rustic, little antique. But let's throw some finish on it, see what happens.